Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English and there nothing else. Therefore please support and guide me. This is our today article. What is behind the rise of quick commerce? What are dark story and how do they facilitate key commerce? How does customer data help elevate the shopping experience on this digital platform? Article written by Saptara Tara Rano Ghosh. The story so far. Quick commerce is initially utility was presented to under lockdown customer during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the youngest avenue of digital shopping, having outlived its initially utility, stayed on to alter how people shop, particularly in urban India. How does quick commerce function as a subclass of e-commerce? Quick commerce, Q commerce, initially rapid delivery, typically in 10 to 20 minutes of product to the customer doorstep. This is facilitated by an elaborate network of dark story and or distribution center. Dark story refer to warehouse used by the platform slowly to fulfill online order with no in-person shopping. The idea is to be in close proximity to the customer to facilitate faster deliveries. Additionally, unlike a traditional retail store or modern retail, super or hypermarkets, quick commerce based around a mobile app benefits from customer data to create a feedback loop. This helps them provide a customized shopping experience in addition to planning their inventory and responding better to the demand of a product and category. An example could be estimating when to stock up a certain products that has a seasonal demand or an abrupt demographic influence among other. What is in it for brand? According to a paper by the Center for Transportation and Logistics of IIM Ahmedabad, quick commerce is beneficial to retailer owing to the prospect of enhanced brand awareness among consumers, citing their proliferation. Angus Human Bhattacharya, partner and national leader of consumer products and retail sector at EY Parathanan, observed that the availability of low-cost employees manpower of a certain age and economic profile has been among the crucial factors for the uptick and efficiency of quick commerce in India. The other aspect is about abundance choice. Scales also enable supply side advantage to quick commerce platform. If an individual company has to distribute a frozen or chilled products, they could be required to place a freezer in a kirana store, which is very expensive, he noted. According to Grant Thornton Bharat, the Indian quick commerce market is presently valued at 3.64 billion dollar and expected to reach 9.95 billion dollar by 2019. The industry grows 76% YOY in financial year 2020 year or 2024. What's about the traditional retailer? Non-government organization representing MFCG stockist and distributor across India and all the India Consumer Products Distribution Federation IAICPDF in their recent complaint to the Competition Commission of India accused the quick commerce trio Blinkit, Zapatos and Swiggy Instamart of anti-competitive practice. Predatory pricing and deep discounting were among the major concerns highlighted by the distributors forum. According to them, the platform unfairly set prices of products below landing cost to deliberately eliminate competitors from the market. Once the objective is attained, platform increase prices to recoup the loss. The AICPDF also pointed to the platform having deep pockets because of the inflow from venture capitalists and or foreign direct investment. The complaints have also accused that platform of using data from app activity to facilitate differential pricing. This could be based on the customer's location, device type, or specific purchasing behavior. The federation highlighted that with traditional retailers unable to compete, millions of retail shops and distributors are being wiped out of business or experiencing losses. PM Ganesh Ram, founder and the president of Tamil Nadu Consumer Product Distribution Association, told the Hindu that there must be a level playing field where both can coexist. The gist. Quick commerce, Q-commerce, initially rapid delivery, typically in 10 to 20 minutes of product to the customer's doorstep. This is facilitated by the elaborated network of dark store and distribution center. According to Grant Thornton Bharat, the Indian quick commerce market is presently valued at 3.34 billion dollar in expected to reach 9.95 billion dollar by 2019. The All India Consumer Product Distribution Federation, AICPDF, is their recent complaint to the Competition Commission of India, CCI, accused the quick commerce trio Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy, Instamart of anti-competitive practice. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. We meet in tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.